We will now be demonstrating short arc quads or mini kicks. Lie on your back in bed. Place a firm roll approximately 8 to 10 inches in diameter, such as a pillow, a large coffee can, or an unopened 2-liter bottle of soda with a towel wrapped around it under your knee so that there is a slight bend in the knee. Make sure your leg is relaxed on the roll. Slowly lift your foot from the bed and straighten your bent knee. Only straighten your knee. Do not lift your entire leg off of the supporting surface. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower the foot back down to the surface and relax. Like with all of the exercises, please be sure you are not holding your breath. Your opposite leg may be relaxed in a comfortable position of your choosing. Remember to perform each exercise 10 repetitions 2 times a day.